Welcome to the Computer Components lecture created during the VR4 Inclusive project. The idea is to learn the purpose and the location of the computer components. During this lecture, you are not just a viewer, you can actively participate.
Let's watch the introduction video.
You can ask the lecturer about specific components. Later, you'll have to place the components into the right spot yourself. So, let's start. We start with an introduction. The teacher explains the purpose of the main computer components.
The motherboard is the most crucial part of the computer. It connects all other components and ensures communication between them. It also distributes the necessary power for their operation. The processor, or CPU, is the computer's brain. It executes software instructions and performs essential calculations.
In the following lecture, it is necessary to start investigating yourself. You click on the computer component and receive a detailed explanation about that component.
This is a RAM, or Random Access Memory. RAM is a type of computer memory that temporarily stores data and instructions currently being used by the CPU. Unlike storage memory, RAM is volatile, meaning it loses all stored data when the computer is turned off. RAM is crucial for multitasking, as more RAM enables a computer to run multiple programs.
But the exploration is not enough. With all the components placed in the right spots, you need to find one that the teacher asks.
The first question is, where is CPU? Yes, this is the component. The second question is, where is RAM? Yes, this is the component. There.
Finally, you'll have to assemble the computer yourself. The teacher will show you the components, and you will have to place them in the right spot.
Nice! The CPU belongs here. On the next one.
If you're a teacher looking to reuse the course, you can find it in the gallery. Remix and adapt your lecture by modifying texts and questions directly within a Python script.